2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR, best new looking and update cruiser motorcycles for touring. Harley Davidson has once again set the bar high with the introduction of the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR, a premium offering that brings together the brand's legendary performance with a level of luxury and innovation that will turn heads on any road. The CVO Road Glide RR is a part of Harley Davidson's Custom Vehicle Operations (CVO) lineup, which represents the pinnacle of the company's engineering, style, and performance. 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR Design and Aesthetics. The 2025 CVO Road Glide RR is built to impress from the first glance. Sporting a bold, aerodynamic design, this motorcycle combines aggressive looks with refined details. The sharp contours and iconic shark nose fairing enhance the bike's sleek, futuristic appearance, making it instantly recognizable on the road. The CVO Road Glide RR features a race-inspired graphic design with a solid racing orange color that disintegrates into a series of bars forming the bar and shield logo. Select areas reveal a dark carbon fiber weave pattern under a clearcoat finish, while a white Screamin Eagle graphic flows from the fuel tank to the fairing sides. The engine is finished in hog black with racing orange highlights, and the wheels are gloss black with red CVO RR laser etching. Harley Davidson offers exclusive, handcrafted paint options for the CVO Road Glide RR, with a focus on high-quality finishes and rich, deep hues. The RR designation also highlights a unique, limited edition, race-inspired color scheme that sets this bike apart from other touring motorcycles on the market. (2025) Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR Power and Performance. The CVO Road Glide RR is powered by the Screamin Eagle 131V twin engine, 2,147 cubic centimeters, the most powerful factory-installed engine in Harley Davidson's 122-year history. This engine delivers a claimed 153 horsepower at 5,750 rpm and 150 pound-foot of torque at 4,750 rpm. The engine features Screamin Eagle Stage IV components, a 68mm throttle body, CNC-ported intake manifold, CNC-ported cylinder heads and combustion chambers, and 2mm or larger valves. The exhaust valves are made from Inconel for heat resistance, and the 2-1 Akrapovič full titanium exhaust is 10 pounds lighter than the standard Milwaukee-Eight exhaust. The redline is elevated from 5,900 rpm to 6,500 rpm. The engine is paired with a 6-speed cruise drive transmission that ensures smooth, precise shifting, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating twisty roads. A performance-tuned exhaust system enhances the sound of the engine, delivering that signature Harley growl that is both deep and resonant. The bike also features premium suspension components, including the Öhlins front and rear shocks that provide exceptional handling and a smooth ride, regardless of road conditions. The dual Brembo brakes offer superior stopping power, giving riders confidence during high-speed maneuvers and tight turns. (2025) Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR Technology and Features. The 2025 CVO Road Glide RR is packed with cutting-edge technology designed to make long-distance riding more comfortable and enjoyable. The Boom Box GTS infotainment system is at the forefront, offering a high-definition touchscreen interface, navigation, smartphone integration, and access to music and apps, all while keeping your eyes on the road. This model also incorporates the latest advanced rider assistance systems, ARAS, including features like cornering ABS, traction control, and linked braking. These systems ensure a smoother, safer ride by providing added stability and control in various conditions. The adaptive headlamp system adjusts the beam to provide better illumination when leaning into turns. Weight reduction is a key focus, with the CVO Road Glide RR weighing 750 pounds as shipped, 50 pounds less than the CVO Road Glide ST model. This is achieved through the use of titanium, carbon fiber, and aluminum components, including lightweight titanium mufflers and exhaust headers with carbon fiber exhaust shields. woven carbon fiber composite front and rear fenders, side covers, tank console, fork nacelle, and radiator shroud. Carbon fiber and Kevlar layup on the front fairing and saddlebags. Billet aluminum foot peg mid controls, powertrain covers, and swing arm. Lightweight Brembo T-drive front brake rotors. The bike also features top-shelf Öhlins suspension components, including an inverted 43mm Öhlins FGR Hypersport Superbike fork and Screamin Eagle Öhlins remote reservoir shocks, which raise the motorcycle ride height by 2 inches for increased lean angles. Premium Brembo brakes include Superbike Spec GP for RX CNC 4-piston front calipers with 320mm Brembo T-drive rotors, and a 4-piston Brembo caliper with a 300mm rotor in the rear. The clutch basket is made from high-strength 70-75 billet aluminum. The CVO Road Glide RR has new mid-mount foot controls, a solo seat with a laden seat height of 28.9 inches, 2.3 inches higher than the standard Road Glide, a moto bar handlebar, and a 6-inch handlebar riser. The seat has a raised rear bolster and a padded pommel on the rear of the fuel tank to keep the rider in place during aggressive riding. To enhance rider comfort, the CVO Road Glide RR includes heated grips, an adjustable, heated seat, and premium steel bag options for extra luggage space on long trips. It also offers keyless ignition, a feature that eliminates the need for traditional keys, adding convenience while on the go. (2025) Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR customizable and exclusive. Harley Davidson's Custom Vehicle Operations Division is known for creating motorcycles that are as unique as the riders who own them, and the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR is no exception. With exclusive styling elements like custom graphics, bespoke seats, and unique wheel designs, every aspect of the CVO Road Glide RR can be tailored to your exact specifications. The paint schemes are particularly noteworthy, offering options that include vibrant metallics, hand-laid pinstripes, and color-shifting finishes that make each bike a true work of art. The level of detail is unparalleled, with the paintwork finished to the highest standard by expert artisans. (2025) Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR Rider Comfort. Harley Davidson knows that comfort is essential for riders embarking on long journeys, and the CVO Road Glide RR has been designed with this in mind. The advanced ergonomic design of the saddle, combined with adjustable foot pegs and handlebars, ensures that riders can achieve a relaxed and comfortable riding position during long rides. The windshield design minimizes turbulence, providing a smooth ride even at highway speeds. The CVO Road Glide RR is equipped with rider safety enhancements by Harley Davidson, including cornering ABS and traction control, cornering drag torque slip control, vehicle hold control, electronically linked brakes, and tire pressure monitoring. It also features selectable ride modes that control the motorcycle's performance characteristics and technology intervention levels. Ride modes include Road, Sport, and Rain, plus for custom modes and Track Plus modes developed with input from HD factory team racer Kyle Wyman. Track Plus mode is designed for experienced riders and disables electronically linked braking while further reducing ABS and traction control. (2025) Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR Limited Edition. The 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR will be a limited edition model, making it even more exclusive and highly sought after. As with all CVO motorcycles, this bike is intended for the discerning rider who values top-tier performance, style, and exclusivity. The limited nature of this bike means that only a select number of units will be produced, and those fortunate enough to own one will be part of a very exclusive club of Harley Davidson enthusiasts. 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR Price and Availability. The 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR is a premium motorcycle, and its price reflects its exclusivity and performance. While the exact price may vary based on location and specific options, expect it to be in the high $40,000 to $50,000 range, depending on the chosen configuration. As a limited edition model, the 2025 CVO Road Glide RR will be available only through select Harley Davidson dealerships. For those who wish to own one of these high-performance machines, early reservations are recommended to ensure you don't miss out on this unique opportunity. Conclusion. The 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR is a triumph of engineering, design, and performance. Whether you're a seasoned Harley enthusiast or a newcomer to the brand, the CVO Road Glide RR offers an unmatched combination of power, luxury, and technology. Its aggressive styling, state-of-the-art features, and exclusive nature make it one of the most desirable touring motorcycles on the market today. With its powerful Milwaukee-Eight 117 engine, cutting-edge technology, and unmatched attention to detail, the CVO Road Glide RR reaffirms Harley Davidson's commitment to creating the best motorcycles in the world. For those who seek the ultimate in performance and style, the 2025 Harley Davidson CVO Road Glide RR is the bike to have.